I'd like to show you how to create an EC2 instance from the command line. So what we're going to do first is verify that we've got the AWS CLI installed properly by typing in the command which AWS. So after we run that command, it shows us where the AWS CLI is installed. And after that, if we'd like to just verify the version that we have running, we type in AWS --version. And it returns that we are running AWS CLI version 2.0, and that's great. So what we do next is we run the commands for creating an EC2 instance, and I've already got those here. It's already here. So what I want to do is show you how you gather this information that's required in order to create your instance. So the first command is AWS EC2 run-instances, and the first command it wants is image ID. Next, it wants how many instances to create, the instance type, your key name, security group IDs, and subnet ID. So first, let's go find the AMI ID that we're going to use. We're going to find that here. When we go to launch an instance, we select the first Amazon Linux 2 AMI. The AMI ID that we want is right here. What I normally do is I just select it and copy and paste it right into my terminal. So next it wants count. We just want to create one instance. If you want 4, count 4. Instance type T2 micro, we're all familiar with that. That's the free tier EC2 instance. The key name, that's our PIM file that we download in order to interact with EC2 instances. You should have already downloaded your PIM file by now. All it wants to know is that the name of your PIM file, and your PIM file needs to be saved in whatever directory you're running the AWS CLI from. So if you need to copy it from your downloads over to your home directory, then go ahead and do that. Security group, let's go find the security group ID that it's looking for. We're going to find security group under VPC. So under security, find security groups here. And I'm selecting the default security group. So I'm going to select it, and then down here, just hit this copy to keyboard icon, and then just return to your terminal and paste it. And subnet ID, same thing. We're just going to go back to our management console, and we know that our subnets are also under our VPC. And all of our subnets, at least all of my subnets, are in US East 1. So it doesn't matter which one I select. These are all default subnets. Just select one, come on down here and click copy to keyboard and return to your terminal and paste your subnet ID right there. And after you have all of your information here in the command line that you need in order to create your EC2 instance, you can just go ahead and run it. So looks like we were successful. So let's just switch back over to our management console under EC2, and we should see a new EC2 instance. Probably would be in like the initializing phase. Okay, sure enough, we have one EC2 instance that's initializing. And just to verify it's the right one, let's just scroll on over. Yep, that's the one. So we can just wait here for it to go to a running state after it passes its status checks. Okay, great, successful. So we have an EC2 instance now that's up and running in a US East 1B availability zone, and we created it from the command line. So thanks for watching.